In this video, I'll show you how to record a video with both cameras on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So simply launch the camera app on your device and then swipe left until you get to the More option and select it. And then from the options that appear, simply tap on Dual Video. And there you go, you can now see two cameras. This is the selfie camera and then this is the back camera, as you can see. Now to record dual video, all you have to do is simply tap on the record button and that will record the dual videos. Now if you want the selfie camera to be the main one, you can simply tap on this icon and the selfie camera will be there. Or if you want the back camera to be the main camera, you can simply tap on this option again and then select this icon and the back camera will be the main one. Alternatively, you can use this switch right here to switch between the main and the selfie camera, as you can see. Now once you have done that, you can simply tap on record and there you go. You can now record your video using the both cameras. So let's see how it looks like. So once you have recorded, you can simply stop it and then tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left corner. And then now you can play. You can now see your video has been recorded using the both front and the back camera. So that's how to record your videos using both cameras on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.